Now here we are going to be talking about the Newton's third law of motion. That is the easiest law to remember. Very easy. So what does it state? It states that to every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. No matter what the action is, to every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. In real life, every action has equal and opposite reaction. Now we have applications of this law where it's seen in sciences. For instance, here we have in rocket propulsion. If you have been seeing a movie before a rocket is being projected, you find out that the gas used in propelling the rocket, it will hit and bounce back, gives you equal reaction before the rocket takes off. Very important. Then, number 2, we have recoil of a gun. Shooting a gun, if you shoot a bullet out of a gun, it gives you back reaction. There's no two ways, you must shift. So if you are depending on the magnitude of the force, the momentum which it is using to move. So once you are shooting a bullet out of the gun is giving you a backward reaction. So since it is going backward, the direction is opposite. So the word equal here stands for depends on the magnitude. So if you are slapping somebody now, if you slap someone gently, the reaction the person will give you, slapping someone is the action. The reaction the person will give you will not be the same. So it depends on, it will not be the same with the person you slap very hard. So if you slap someone very hard, the person will react opposite. Opposite means backward. If it is coming this way, the person is coming this way to the action of that particular slap. So we have bomb explosion. Bomb explosion. So what a bomb, if you want to bomb a particular place, each bomb has a specific place it can cover. So a bomb that you want to place to clear the whole of the entire city, that particular bomb, because your aim is to clear the entire city. Now, placing that bomb, your aim is the action. The bomb will give you the opposite reaction by clearing the whole world, city. But if you place a bomb that can just clear a particular place, and you are aiming to clear a particular city, it will not work. So that bomb will just clear the particular space, and that is how the thing works. Now, we have jet engines. Now, the jet engines, they make use of what? Fuel. So, for the jet engine to move, it's going to balance. For the movement, it's continuous moving. For the movement to move, for the jet engine to move, it's going to balance the exhaust coming from the gas. So, every action in this life, there must be what? Equal and opposite reaction. So, this is what the Newton's third law of motion is trying to tell us.